access to PDE5 inhibitors. GoodRx and Cost-Plus Mark Cuban instructions. Please note that insurance plans do not cover for Sildenafil/Tadalafil. You should try using GoodRx or Cost-Plus to get your medication at a discounted price. If you are new to GoodRx and Cost-Plus, here are the instructions. GoodRx instructions. 1. Click on this link, www.goodrx.com. 2. Click on the Sign Up tab and create an account. You only need to add your first and last name, email, and birth date. 3. Go back to the main page and enter the medication name, Sildenafil/Tadalafil. Indicate the quantity of tablets you want. 4. Click on Set Your Location and add your zip code. 5. That you will be provided with a list of pharmacies near you that sell you medication at a low price with a coupon. 6. Let us know via portal what pharmacy you intend to use so we can send your prescription to that pharmacy instead. 7. Get the coupon, print it, or bring it in your phone and show it to the pharmacist. Cost-Plus Mark Cuban instructions. 1. Click on this link, https://costplusdrugs.com. 2. Go to the Sign Up tab and create an account. You only need to provide an email address and create a password. 3. Contact us to request your prescription. We will send your medication script to Cost-Plus electronically. 4. Within 24 hours from us sending the order, you will get a notification from the pharmacy stating that they received the prescription. 5. Go back to the main page, sign in, and click on the Medications tab. Search for Sildenafil/Tadalafil. Indicate the strength and quantity. If the quantity listed on your prescription does not match any of the choices you see, the pharmacy will fill the amount prescribed to you. 6. Order your Sildenafil/Tadalafil medication and check out. Cost. These medications are still too expensive, and insurances have limitations on their approval. However, with the GoodRx coupon and other pharmacies, such as Mark Cuban or Amazon Pharmacy, patients can buy Sildenafil and Tadalafil out of pocket at a fair price, $10 to $20 for complete treatment, up to 60 tablets. Newer PDE5 inhibitors, such as Vardenafil and Sildenafil, are still too expensive, even with the GoodRx coupon. However, Vardenafil is decreasing in price, and it can be bought for $40 to $80, 10 tablets. Today, the cost of these medications is not a reason to limit access and enjoy your sexual life. Please check out my other videos regarding PDE5 inhibitors.